In this video, we will be telling about how to create a new Facebook page. We are not talking about creating a new Facebook profile. We are talking about creating a new Facebook page. To create a new Facebook page, what you should do is open your Facebook application. After opening Facebook app, log into your Facebook account. After logging to your Facebook account, here you can see your profile image. Click on this profile image, and down here you can see pages option. Click on this pages option. When you click on that, you can see every pages that you have created. Anyways, above you can see one option, create. Click on this create option. When you click on that create option, a new page will come like this. Click on get started. After that, you will be asked to enter page name. Enter a name for your page. After entering the page name which you want to set, down here you can see next option. Click on this next option. Now here you should select the category. You can add up to 3 categories. Here search option is there. I am searching for creator. When I am searching creator, I can see an option digital creator. I am selecting this option because what I do is I create videos and it's a tech channel, so I am searching for tech. When I am searching for tech, I can see one option science and tech. I am selecting this also. Your categories may be different. It may be health or beauty or music band or grocery store. You can select the category according to your page. After that, down here you can see create option. Click on that create button. Now you can see a page like this. If you want to add bio, you can add bio. So I have entered bio. If you want to add your website, you can add it here. Or if you want to add your email or phone number, you can add that also. I am adding my YouTube channel link here. Anyways, now I am not adding my email address and phone number. If you want, you can add phone number and email. If you want to add your location, you can add that also. If you are having a shop, adding location will be very useful. Down here you can see hours option. If you are having a shop, there will be closing time and opening time. You can add that time here. But I am a video creator, so I am not filling that. After that, down here you can see next option. Click on this next option. Now a page will come like this. Here you can change your profile picture and your cover photo. First, I am changing my profile picture. Now I have changed my profile picture. If you want to change your cover photo, you can change that also. Down here you can see one option, edit action button. Click on this edit action button. Down here you can see try it. Click on this try it. Here you can see so many action buttons. You can add whichever action buttons you want. I am selecting message. If you want to set call now, you can set that also. If anyone is clicking on that button, they can call you. Or if you want them to send mail, you can select send mail option. Anyway, I am selecting messages. After selecting that, click on next button. After that, click on save button. After that, down here you can see next option. Click on this next button. And now if you want to connect this page with WhatsApp, you can give your WhatsApp number here and you can add WhatsApp. If you are having shop, it will be useful. Anyway, I am not doing that now. If you don't want to do, here skip option is there. Click on this skip. Now a new page will come. If you want to invite your friends to this new page, you can invite them. To invite them, click on this invite friends option. By selecting your friends, you can invite them. But one thing you should keep in mind is that there is daily limit. One day maximum you can invite only 1000 people. If you want to invite more people, next day you can invite them. Anyway, if you want to invite them, down here you can see send invites option. Click on that send invites. After inviting friends, down here you can see next option. Click on this next option. In this page, if you want marketing and promotional emails, you can tick this. But I am not ticking this. I am ticking only first option. After that, down here you can see done option. Click on this done option. Now the page is ready. If you want to upload photos, videos or reels, you can upload that. Here you can see one option. Click on this option and here you can see every photos and videos in your smartphone. You can upload photos or videos through this. If you want to see how others will be seeing this page, here you can see 3 dots. Click on this 3 dots. Here you can see one option view as. Click on that view as option. So this is how others will be seeing your page. So this way you can create a Facebook page easily. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.